Yo, how we doing, guys? Monday, fresh new week. Fresh new week. Right, let's have a quick glance at the news for the week. Hope everyone's weekend was good. I was actually not at work this weekend, so I had a lovely weekend. Right. We've got some news in 15 minutes on a yellow folder, just final manufacturing. We've got the ISM manufacturing PMI in 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Tony, yo, how you doing, man? How was your weekend? Yes, red folder in 30 minutes today. Nothing really going on Tuesday. Services PMI on Wednesday. We've got the UK bank rate on Thursday. And we've got a non-farm payroll on Friday, if that happens or not. Given the shutdown, consumer sentiment as well Friday is the normal. Cool. Weekend pretty sure, mate. How about you? Yes, mate. Not too bad. I think I was well, I was definitely not at work at the weekend, which was nice. Got some chores done around the house. Little reset day. Yeah, just chilled out, man. Chilled out, which is what we want. Let's get that light on. Leo, good morning, mate. Afternoon for some. Yes, afternoon for me. What are you again? I always forget. Are you 2 hours behind us? So is it around 12:30 for you? Or is it 11:30? No. Is it 10:30? No, just keep going through the times until I get it right. Alright, 2 minutes. Lewis, yo, how you doing? How was your weekend? 11:30 here, okay. I got it right in the end. After going through all the other times. Oh, what's that? Got a bit of a pullback initially, surely, didn't we? 1 minute left. Open. Grand Cup today. Was it today? What, the Tradeify Cup? And the Tradeify Cup. Oh, was it something different? Is it? Minutes lunch, then back to work, hoping to get the new Express funders off to a good lunch. I mean, that's risky business, that is, man. Risky business. Trading the Express funders on your lunch break. Okay, man. Oi, how you doing, fella? How you doing? How you been? Did the move go right? You were moving house last time I spoke to you, I think, weren't you? Nathan, yo, how you doing? Anything 14,000 people. Okay, well, they've released the totals then, have they? And it's top 200 get a prize. That's not too bad. Considering like 90% of them will just absolutely obliterate their account the first week. Marcus open. I reckon we pull back to at least this little point of control. 902. Current day Valera high as well. Get a little sim funded going, sim trade going. I need 5 points stop so. That should have been shortened from there, really. It would have been a better play. Good, mate. How's the fam? Yes, man. All good, all good. Baby's good, wife's good. We're all tired, but baby seems to be doing this thing at the minute, right, where he likes to sleep all day and stays awake most of the night, so that's a bit crap, but other people in the top 10 have already failed and they've not read the rules for position size limits. Oh, okay. Got it in the bag then, Lewis. Who news today? Yes, we've got news in what, 15, haven't we? But then news in 30. There we go, 488 on the comp, nice. Just sit using trade, but you got to do what you got to do, though, won't you, mate? If it's to get a funded. Trouble is, though, if you end up getting a live account, you'll be on Tradeify forever, won't you? With that account, is that right? How do you use bracket order? Oh, mate, it is called what is it called? It's like at the top. I can't remember what it's called. It's called something bizarre that doesn't make sense. I want to say it's like AMP or something like that. But you've got to go into the settings and set it up. Maybe they'll swap it to Project X. I doubt it, man. I think they're quite rigid, aren't they, on the account, the platform that you're on. Well, I know Top Stepper. I don't know about any others, to be fair, but Yeah, they won't. Nah, man. Too much work for him. So I've had a loss as well. I've had a break even and a loss this morning. Bit of a frustrating day today, to be honest. My break even trade was 1 tick from hit and take profit. Yeah, entry at 88375 and take profit was at 881. Got to 88125, yeah. Just one of them that's like, I mean, the saying goes, "Oh, don't be a dick for a tick." But it's only a tick away for a couple of seconds, then it's back to halfway through the halfway into the towards take profit. So you've got a few seconds to not be a dick for a tick, and then if you mark it or you're flattening it, then you're only taking a 0.5, and yeah, break even on that. So yeah, frustrating one. And then stopped out by about what 1.5 points on this one before it was a winner. So yeah, I had the right idea, but shorting at the highs there. Didn't quite time it right, so yeah, frustrating one. Using 25, yeah, man. Red folder as well, isn't it? Top 4k mainly because everyone else is. Mate, I reckon you'll be top 1,000 by end of play today, I reckon. And that wouldn't be from you doing anything spectacular. That would purely be from everyone else fucking up. Mate, Lewis, don't YOLO. Honestly, I think if you play it sensibly, I think you've got a chance of placing quite high. But you've got to play it sensibly. Don't just YOLO it. I don't know. You can have 3 resets. But 3 reset. How long is it? Is it a week-long comp? Two weeks, yeah. 3 resets will go in 3 days for most people. But yeah, honestly, I think the majority of people will cock it up, and the only ones that'll be left will be the sensible ones that are playing it safe and not absolutely YOLOing it. Basically, 2 weeks is a long time to get lucky, isn't it? So the ones that are YOLOing it we'll find out pretty quickly, and the ones that are left will be trading with decent-ish risk management. Obviously, you can't just go like really conservative. You've got to play it quite aggressive, I imagine, but yeah, play it sensibly still. Bottom 30% get eliminated. EJ, oh nice. Then final 200 in the finals. That's cool, man. That's a cool idea. It's a cool idea. If the platform lined up, if you could put it on whatever platform you wanted, I'd be more up for doing it. But I'm already on 2 platforms. I don't want to be on 3. Right. What's the force today? Bias for this session. I was coming into it today with a bearish bias, but let me know what your thoughts are for the session. Yeah, so I would have quite liked to have shorted from the previous day value or high early this morning, but obviously I was asleep, so I couldn't do that. And then I really like the idea of just this gap being filled, which is sort of why I was shorting around here. When I had on the, I think it was on the simulated account, I deleted the entries. I had a very good entry, I think. It must have been here or here, literally to the tick. I had it set up on the funders and stuff, but sort of bottled it and just simmed it, and yeah, it was a really good entry. And that'd have been like a 2.4 or something, that RR. But I probably would have tried to hold to the close of the gap, which I wouldn't have got. So yes, I do like the idea of that little gap being filled, but maybe along from the previous week, previous day value very low. See how it goes. Looking quite heavy at the minute, aren't we? Currently testing the current day value very low. Gonna keep the risk the same. As soon as I get 4k, if I will double risk yet. And when you can trade 1 to 2 minis or 10 micros. That's what she said. Yeah, Lewis, you could always go for the if you're in profit with your first trade, double the risk on the second trade. Some people work well with that. It means you're trading aggressively, but you're not giving away profits. Not going to drawdown with it. Worst case, you end the day break even kind of thing where you started. But just do whatever you normally do. I think if you try and mix it up, you fuck it up. Try to do something you're not used to. Wow, this is heavy, isn't it? Go for a little sim buy. I'm thinking, by the way, lads, to I might potentially look to start live streaming the London session instead. Don't know what everyone's thoughts will be on that. What is that comes up? I need to reverse that. Took a fat loss on it. Yeah, I'm looking at thinking about live streaming the London session instead. 'Cause at the minute, I'm trading more during the London, even the Asia. So So does it make more sense for me to live stream when I'm probably taking more trades? Because I'm not really taking that many trades during the New York at the minute. And as well, it works better for like home life as well. Like it's far better for me to be like finished trading by like 10 AM. Then I've got the rest of the day then, rather than it being like in the middle of the day at lunchtime, eating into dinner time kind of thing. Like that's fine if I'm actually taking trades, but if I'm not really taking many trades in the New York session, then I'm just sitting at the computer for not really a lot of reason other than to live stream. Then the trouble is, I don't know, there'll be a few of you that I might not see if I'm doing the London. But Leo, I don't imagine you'd be around for the if I was to do a London live stream, would you? Because I mean, it's going to be it's 11:30 for you there now. Yeah, you're going to still be asleep, I think. 2,706 now. Fucking hell. Typical best wrist 20. Call it a day, man. You're having a flying day. Yeah, it's pretty quiet during London though. Gold is decent, is it? Well, I don't know. I've been finding it alright. To be fair, some of my trades are like early, probably classed as early New York session. Sort of like 7 AM New York time kind of thing. Yeah, I sort of been looking at my trades last month. This is from October. There's only what 1, 2, 3 trades during the New York AM session. Most of them are London. Couple Asia. I define New York as 8 AM onwards New York time. And obviously London 3 AM New York time. Battle going on here. Yeah, I think that's probably why the fact that it's slow is probably why I'm trading more. Maybe it's a bit cleaner, a bit easier for me to read. New York, I'm finding a little bit harder. I mean, maybe one day I'll get into a place where I'm a bit better at New York, but I just find that I perform better at London at the minute. Oh, stop out on it. Big battle going on here. Be pretty explosive when we break out either side. Yes, it'd be nice to just get a winning trade in this afternoon and get back to break even on the day. That'd be cool. I'm not gonna force anything. Gym boy, no record is giving me home. What are you up to, Lewis? What absurd number are you up to? The hand, how you doing, man? How you doing? Right, news in 8 minutes. %, reckon long this session. See the leaderboard later when I'm on top. So if I don't get an image, it's you fucked it and you're at the bottom. Then again, tomorrow when I'm disqualified. I do like the idea of a long from the previous day value low, but coming up to what 6 minutes before news. That's past really. I was looking at the last price, not the P&L, thinking, I made 140 minutes, dropped 40 pence. Here's that. It's what you use up a lot more. Do you reckon you'd have closed the trade earlier if you realised how much you was up? Not having brackets have helped you out, maybe. The short's looking good, didn't we? We can hit the take profit. 5 minutes till news. Here it was run, but I couldn't see where it was. Yeah, Tradeify isn't ideal. I think it's fine, like it's a fine free version, but I think if you've it's far better to be on something a little better, I think. Nice. Up 1.1 after that trade on the sim account. I think that was like a 1.6, 1.7 thousand win, I think. Could have heard NinjaTrader, yeah. I briefly used NinjaTrader when I first started trading. I think that's paid for, isn't it? Is that right? I'm sure I had like some form of free trial, then it ended, so I stopped using it. Because I'm a cheap cunt. I've set up a sim limit order. If we come down there, we've got news in 3.5 minutes. I don't want to be risking on the other account. Favorite, okay. I didn't think it was amazing when I was on there, but I was very new to trading, so on the new piece. Yeah, the indicators seemed a bit weird, but I don't really use indicators now, so it's pretty good. Okay. I assumed it would have been similar to Tradeify, to be honest, because it's the same people that own it, isn't it? Trader's free. Can log in with Tradeify. Oh, okay, I didn't know it was free. Since Tradeify bought Ninja. Okay. News in 1.5 minutes. I keep saying that out loud, guys, not for your benefit, for my benefit, because I forget. How's everything? Yes, man, not too bad, not too bad. Had a couple of red days on the take profit trader challenge. I'm down to what, 153 now. I was up like 156,000 I think at one point. 1565 or something like that. So yeah, I need to play a little bit more sensibly, but other than that I'm alright. Funded's alright. Got my 3 extra take profit trader express accounts that they owed me for taking away my profitable day that I had during the AWS outage. Finally got that, so yeah, copy trading 6 express funders now, which is cool. Probably is the profits will be bigger, but the losses will be bigger as well, so something to get used to. News in 15 seconds. PS one is so much more than NQ, is it? Is it? Oh yeah. We haven't taken lower day on NQ at all. Go, there's news. Book's gone very thin. I've done something wrong as my P&L is updated on Tradeify, but no, not the leaderboard. But it might be because you made so much money in such a short space of time. It's not gone through yet. Or what, you think you've broken a rule or something? Well, hopefully not, man. Do we like the idea of a long from here? Eight, 6, 8. It's 3 I need, isn't it? Taco, good morning. He just sells today, but chilling because news at 10, so I don't train until that's up. Sensible, mate. Fair play. Good update. Oh, good, Lewis. Good. Imagine that. Obviously, paying to get it all set up, having a really good session, and then finding out you broke a stupid rule that you didn't even realise was there. I forgot how to trace it up. We're in. $1.25k is good, Lewis, man. At what point though do you say I've had a good morning, I'm going to call it until tomorrow? Now. I was thinking I would be that'd be me cutting off if I'm up that much. That's a good start, man. Good start. Well, I'm jumping to break even on this. Whoa! Where was the bad fill on that then? We all saw how quick that moved. Where was the bad fill on that? I should have had plus 90 odd, $100 odd on that trade. Bastards. So I'm at break even on the day, but I am about $100 down in commissions on the challenge. That's annoying, man. I'm all out tonight. 89 cents on each account. Exit price 87325. Bang on where it's supposed to be. No slippage at all. Typical. Let's go down to the 1 second chart. Apparently no slippage at all. Filled exactly where I was supposed to be on the 1 second chart. Nice. Break even on the day then. Obviously could have got a bit more out of that, but we're very heavy today, so wouldn't risk it. Needed to get back to break even. Long on why God help me. Catching a falling knife. You might be right, man. You might be right. Got 1.6k now. Nice, Lewis. What happened? I don't know, it's a hand, man. It just, we had a large market buy order of 834 contracts on ES. Which, we had a big spike up. All the way to my take profit and beyond, so can't complain. Making this the final day before finals when a full pot of my normal setup. Max position size, what my account will allow. My stop loss. Oh no. Is that within the rules and stuff, is there? There isn't any like consistency rules or anything like that. Also, see how you are on the board as well. If you're like in the right position on the leaderboard, I wouldn't do anything too risky. But I suppose everyone else would be doing the same thing. I'm saying if I need to make money, let's get into the top 200. Oh yeah, 100%. Oh, you may as well. You've got nothing to lose, have you? I suppose. Go wake up past tomorrow first. You'll be fine, man. You'll be fine. Oh, something more frustrating when you've bought the low and you've only taken a 1-to-1. Let's journal my trade. Stop looking at that. Right. I'm glad I had that little win to get me back to break even. Wasn't nice having the my first trade, copy trading the 6, was being a loss. Obviously it's a bit got to my emotions a little bit, going from my average loss being $150-ish all the way to $453 because I've added 3 more accounts and now risking $75 per trade rather than $50 per trade. So yeah, sort of affected me a little bit, and I was a bit like, oh. So it's going to be a bit of a learning curve. The more I trade it, the more I get used to it. But yeah, the first couple of trades is a bit not nice to sort of sit through, especially if it's a loss. Oh, that's the wrong. Yeah, just need to get through this sort of first maybe 5 trades and I should be right. But the trouble is not letting the emotions affect you the following trades, do you know what I mean? That's what's hard. Right, 10.05, 10.08. No, 3.06. 159. Up $5 on the day. Overall 6 accounts. Four accounts of you now, Sam. Take profit, top step. I have got 6 express fundeds. I had the I was positive on, you know, we had that AWS outage the other week on the 20th of October. I was positive on the day on all 3 of my express fundeds, and they wiped the trades. And then to compensate for that, they gave everyone who was positive an express funded for each account. They were positive, basically. I had a bit of a mare of them that they weren't going to give it to me because they were telling me that I wasn't positive, but I definitely was. And after a bit of arguing and back and forth, they gave them to me. So I've now got 6 express funded on Top Step, and because I want to copy trade them all, normally I would risk $50 per trade on my normal accounts. But I wanted to risk $100 per trade because obviously they're new accounts, so I've got more drawdown than I've got on my current accounts. So basically, I can't do some $50, some $100, so I've gone met in the middle. So I'm risking $75 per trade per account. It's obviously more than normal. And I am still doing this take profit trader challenge. 150k account. I'm sat at 154,400 at the minute. Did run this up to 156,500, I think. I think I was only 2.5 off, I think, passing. Took a couple of losses. I'm hoping this is the one, though. This is the one I'm passing. I'm hoping. Lefty, yo, how you doing, man? How was your weekend? Oh, I didn't mean the caps. I just assumed you was really serious about Nathan. Really wanted to know. Beating Brett Simba right now. I don't even know who Brett Simba is, man. Is he a guru? That's it. Well, it's happening. Green of the day. Catch up on stream. I mean, I'm green. I'm up $5 over all the accounts, and I'm down $100 on the challenge account from commissions. Commissions are fucking savage on the Take Profit Trader accounts. I think I'm used to the 0 commissions on Top Step. $1.7k sound. Do we leave or carry on? I would leave, man. You've had a fantastic morning or afternoon, whatever you want to call it. It's far better to end the day on a fantastic day than to end the day at break even, or even worse, at a loss. You're beating Brett Simba. call it a day, man. Call it a day. First day into it, it'd be a good way to start it on a good day. If you want to push it more tomorrow, I can push it more tomorrow. But yeah, I think it's a good way to start on a green day. It'd be horrible starting on a red day. Should be you'll be on the back foot then, won't you? I personally would call it. You do what you want to do though, brother. Chill out, okay, man. Let's go, Dodgers. In a bit, man. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow if you're around. Simba's older brother. You good? Dodgers one man about to party today in LA. Nice, man. This is going to be an awful question for you. What sport does Dodgers play? I don't do American sports at all. Let me guess. I reckon. Is it football? American football? I don't think it sounds like baseball. Or basketball. Oh, it is baseball. Okay, man. Yeah, I'm not really clued up on the American sports. I'm not really clued up on the English sports, to be honest. Dodgeball. Oh mate, we watched the film Dodgeball the other day. I've seen it a few times. Obviously it's classic, but yeah, brilliant film. That is a sport I could watch. But they actually have like dodgeball tournaments and like World Series of dodgeball and stuff. That's decent. That could be good. Most people don't make 1.7 in a week, and you've already secured it one day. That's it. That's it, Stoney, mate. That's it. And if it's a 2-week competition, you got to think about it for you want to be there for the whole 2 weeks. And yeah, being 1.7 up on the day is decent. And their 50k accounts, is that right? Mate, 1.7 on their 50k account is banging. Turn your computer off and go back to work. Big parade, Americans love that shit. They literally burn trains if their team wins. Yeah, man, I do love how like into everything America is. Holidays they all love, sports they love, the country they love. It's nice to see people patriotic about stuff. Did that, Lewis? Well done on the green day. I want a screenshot of the leaderboard later. Did a bit, man. Well, I'll just put up a poll, boys and girls. I'm thinking about starting to stream the London session instead of the New York session. I want to know sort of how many people could do that, because we've got some people in the US and I don't imagine they would be able to do it. We've got Leo in Brazil. I don't think he would be able to do it. And I'd miss you all. Yeah, it sort of works better for me, I think, in sort of home life wise. And I'm trading more during the London session at the minute anyway. I'm not taking that many trades during the New York session, so I'm thinking about switching over, but maybe I'll stick a poll out on the community page as well, YouTube community page. Maybe I drop in, yeah, man. I mean, depends on what time would it be. I need to Google Brazil time. What is right? What time would I be streaming? Probably 8 AM my time. I get so confused, bloody. The time. So yeah, Leo, I would probably be starting the stream at 5 AM your time. Probably finishing around 7 AM. That doesn't sound like you would be tuning in. Nathan can cool. And the price action's clean. Yeah, I mean, I've been finding it quite good. New York's quite fast paced, and end up sitting on the sidelines a lot of the time, maybe sim trading, because I'm not quite very confident with it. But the London session and even the Asia session, I'm enjoying a bit more because it's a bit slower, isn't it? Like you said, clean. You get choppy days, and I quite like trading a range sometimes. But you also get the trending days as well, so. Most likely be dead sleep, bro, but do what's best for you. What's local time market? Open in London. 8 AM. Local time for me, market open. To be honest, I was thinking about doing about an hour before then as well, but that'd probably be a bit tight for me for work, so I'm normally getting in from work about 6:30 AM, so it'd only give me half hour to get set up. So yeah, I mean 8 AM my time would be a good time to start. And then probably do the normal sort of 2 hours-ish. Oh, we're flushing down. We're flushing down. This sell-off, boys. I actually quite liked the look of, where was it? We've got a nice gap to fill at 825. Maybe that's what we're going for. If I can find it. Yeah, we've got a bit of this gap to fill in, so that could potentially be the target. We've also got an area of sort of hardly any volume traded during this CPI candle. What price is it? 82525. Potential goal on the day, potential target 825. Another 25 points from where we are now. ES points, those. Hey, well, I'd love to be able to change the colour of these balls. What though? I struggle to see the red balls on the red candles. Maybe just a dark red would be better. That's better, isn't it? Well, obviously, guys, if I want to call it a day, I don't think I want to be able to really catch any of this move. I like the idea of the target on the day being 825, but don't really see any opportunity to short this anytime soon. Potentially from this area in a bit, but I don't know if I'll take it. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm pretty happy being at break even on the day, so not in a rush. Alright, nice one, boys and girls. Take it easy if you're still trading. Cheers for stopping by, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Normal time tomorrow. New York Open still. Still thinking about the London, but we'll let you know if I change it. Yes, I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. Have a good one. See you later.